Hey guys! Did you know you can torch up to 500 calories an hour with just bodyweight cardio exercises? That's right, no fancy gym memberships or expensive equipment needed at all. We're talking about getting that heart rate pumping and those endorphins flowing right from your living room space. So many people think you need a gym to see real results, but I'm here to tell you that's just not true at all. Are you ready to prove them wrong with me and unlock your fittest self, all while rocking out in your PJs? Let's do this together. Okay, let's talk about no equipment cardio. You might think you need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get a good workout, but that's not the case at all. In fact, some of the most effective exercises can be done right in your living room, using just your body weight. It's convenient, it's effective, and it's perfect for everyone, no matter your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner just starting out, or a seasoned athlete looking to mix things up, home workouts can be tailored to meet your needs. Plus, working out at home means you can avoid the commute to the gym, saving you both time and money. We're talking about high-intensity movements that get your blood flowing and blast fat, all without needing a single dumbbell or treadmill. Exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks are fantastic for getting your heart rate up and burning calories. These movements engage multiple muscle groups, providing a full-body workout that can be done in a small space. Think about it. No more excuses about not having time to hit the gym or feeling intimidated by complicated machines. You can fit in a quick workout during your lunch break, or even while watching your favorite TV show. The flexibility of home workouts means you can exercise whenever it suits you best, without any pressure or judgment. With these workouts, your home becomes your own personal fitness sanctuary. You can create a space that motivates and inspires you, whether it's a corner of your living room or a dedicated workout room. Add some music, light a candle, and make it a place where you look forward to spending time. And the best part? You're in complete control. You choose the intensity, you choose the pace, and you choose the duration of your workouts. Want a quick 10-minute session? Go for it. Prefer a longer, more intense workout? That's up to you. The power is in your hands to design a fitness routine that fits your lifestyle and goals. You choose the moves that make you feel your absolute best. There are countless resources available online, from workout videos to fitness apps, that can guide you through different exercises and routines. You can experiment with different types of workouts like HIIT, yoga, or Pilates to find what you enjoy most. It's all about listening to your body and pushing yourself to be your best self. Remember, fitness is a personal journey, and it's important to find what works for you. So, ditch the gym, embrace the freedom of home workouts, and achieve your fitness goals on your own terms. Now I know what you might be thinking. Glenn, I've tried working out at home before, and I always get distracted. It's so easy to get caught up in the chaos of daily life. Maybe the kids are running around, or the TV is just too tempting. Perhaps your phone keeps buzzing with notifications, pulling your attention away from your workout. Distractions are everywhere, and they can make it feel impossible to stay focused on your fitness goals. Or maybe you feel like you don't have enough space. Trust me, I get it. We've all been there. You look around your living room and it feels cramped and cluttered. There's barely enough room to stretch, let alone do a full workout. But here's the thing, you don't need a massive home gym to get in shape. You just need a little creativity and some determination. But here's the thing, consistency is key, and that starts with creating a sustainable routine. It's not about having the perfect setup, it's about making the most of what you have. Start by setting a regular workout schedule. Write it down in a fitness journal or use an app to keep track. When you have a plan, it's easier to stay committed. And remember, it's okay to start small. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Find a dedicated workout space, even if it's just a small corner of your living room. Clear out a little area where you can lay down a mat and move around comfortably. This will be your fitness sanctuary, a place where you can focus solely on your workout without any distractions. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be functional. Roll up that rug, push aside the coffee table. We're making this happen. Rearrange the furniture if you need to. Creating a workout-friendly environment is all about making small adjustments that can have a big impact. Once you have your space set up, you'll find it much easier to get into the right mindset for exercise. Set realistic goals, and don't be afraid to start small. It's important to be kind to yourself and recognize that progress takes time. Maybe your goal is to do a 10-minute workout every day this week. That's a great start. As you build consistency, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. The key is to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps may seem. Even 10 minutes of dedicated cardio is better than none at all. You don't need to spend hours working out to see results. Short, intense bursts of exercise can be incredibly effective. Whether it's a quick jog in place, a series of jumping jacks, or a fast-paced dance session, those 10 minutes can boost your energy and improve your mood. And remember, we're in this together. You're not alone on this journey. There are countless others who are facing the same challenges and working towards their fitness goals. Join an online community, find a workout buddy, or simply share your progress on social media. Support and encouragement from others can be a powerful motivator. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your fitness to the next level, I'm committed to helping you succeed. Together, we can crush those can't work out excuses and achieve your fitness goals. Let's get started. Unleash your inner cardio king or queen. All right, let's get down to business. We're going to explore some killer no-equipment cardio exercises that will have you sweating and feeling amazing. First up, we have the classics jumping jacks, high knees, and butt kicks. Don't underestimate these moves. They're simple but super effective. Next, let's crank up the intensity with some burpees, mountain climbers, and plank jacks. These bad boys will work your entire body and torch calories like no other. Feeling adventurous? Try incorporating some plyometric moves like jump squats and lunge jumps. These explosive exercises will take your cardio game to the next level. The Burn Baby Burn Cardio Blast. Now for that secret weapon I promised you, the Burn Baby Burn Cardio Blast. This is not just any workout, it's a high-energy, high-intensity routine designed to push your limits and get your heart pumping like never before. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, this workout will challenge you and help you reach new heights in your fitness journey. This routine combines some of the most effective no-equipment exercises into a high-intensity circuit that will leave you drenched in sweat and feeling unstoppable. Imagine a workout that not only burns calories but also builds strength, endurance, and agility. That's exactly what the Burn Baby Burn Cardio Blast is all about. It's a full-body workout that targets every major muscle group, ensuring you get a comprehensive fitness experience. We're talking 30 seconds of each exercise back to back with minimal rest in between. This means you'll be constantly moving, keeping your heart rate up and maximizing calorie burn. The key to this workout is intensity and consistency. By pushing yourself to keep going even when it gets tough, you'll see incredible results in no time. Ready for the challenge? Here we go, jumping jacks. One of the best exercises for getting your heart rate up quickly. They work your entire body, from your legs to your arms, and are a great way to start the circuit. Next up, burpees. These are a powerhouse move that combines a squat, a plank, and a jump all in one. They are fantastic for building strength and endurance. Then we have mountain climbers, which are excellent for working your core and improving your cardiovascular fitness. Keep your movements quick and controlled to get the most out of this exercise. Moving on to high knees, which are great for boosting your heart rate and working your lower body, followed by butt kicks, which help to stretch and strengthen your hamstrings. And finally, plank jacks, a dynamic move that targets your core, shoulders, and legs. This combination of exercises ensures that you're working multiple muscle groups and keeping your workout varied and exciting. Repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times for a total body burn that will leave you feeling like a champion. Each round will push you further, testing your limits and building your stamina. By the end of the workout, you'll have accomplished something truly amazing. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's important to push yourself, but not to the point of injury. If you need to rest, take a moment to catch your breath and then jump back in when you're ready. Your safety and well-being are the top priorities. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and preventing dehydration. Keep a water bottle handy and take sips regularly to stay refreshed and energized. This workout is no joke, but the results are so worth it. You'll feel stronger, more energized, and ready to take on anything. So give it your all, stay committed, and watch as you transform your fitness and your life. The Burn Baby Burn Cardio Blast is your ticket to a healthier, happier you. Level up your fitness journey. So there you have it, guys. We've covered some amazing no-equipment cardio exercises and a killer workout routine to get you started on your journey to a fitter, healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Make these workouts a regular part of your routine and watch as your body transforms. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little dedication and a whole lot of sweat. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative. Mix and match exercises, create your own routines, and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to keep moving and keep challenging yourself. Join the no equipment revolution. What did you guys think of that Burn Baby Burn workout? Let me know your favorite no equipment exercises in the comments below. And hey, while you're there, tell me what other types of workouts you'd like to see in future videos. Remember, you don't need a gym to achieve your fitness goals. All you need is your body, a little bit of space, and a whole lot of determination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new workout video. Now go out there and crush your fitness goals.